Hey guys. So today's the day of my barbecue. This is where we are right now. Currently, you know, setting up. I can't light the grill for some reason. I guess I'm handicapped today. I've tried so many times. As you can see, I got that shit in there and shit. So I'm waiting for my mom to come so she can start that. It's supposed to start like right now, but the good thing is nobody's here, so I'm not late. I'm on time. Everything is done. We got so much stuff today. We have fish, we have shrimp skewers, we have pork, the chicken's in the oven, just, you know, cooking out a little bit so it doesn't take so long for it to cook on the grill. And then I have like a fruit platter. We have hamburgers, hot dogs, we have ribs. Bro, it's gonna be turned up. As you can see, the DJ isn't here yet, but the stuff is here for him to set up. So, you know, we're gonna turn up. I'm gonna turn up with my family and my friends today. I don't know why the hell it's taking my mom so long to get here. It seems like everybody's gonna end up getting here at the same time. But yeah, that's what we're currently doing right now. See if I can see her, but I can't. I don't know where the hell she is, but anyhow, as of right now, that's what we're doing. And yeah, hopefully Marlon comes, or my mom comes, or somebody comes, because I need some assistance. And yeah, so when I guess when all my guests get here, you know, I'll like show you guys more about, you know, the festivities and how everything will go on, and you know, yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be a good time. I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait. I love hosting. I love hosting and all that good stuff. So we shall see. I'm gonna go have a seat outside. It's hot as frig, and the weather is beautiful. Seeing as how it's been raining for like the last how many years. So I'm gonna chill till my guests get here, and then yeah, so I will holler back at y'all. Hi Poppy! Say do it for the vlog.
No, I told
Say do it for the vlog.
I already told you I don't want to be in your video. Do it for the vlog.
Thank you. Say hi.
Hey.
Say hi to the subscribers on YouTube.
It's Esmond, and I'm at Zoe's barbecue, and I'm waiting for
Oh my god. Do you remember her on our hot day when we went to the gas station?
Gas station date?
Remember when the AC broke?
Put relation on it.
When the AC broke. You never went. I said her.
That's really cool. Did it break? Yeah, I did. It just broke.
Yeah, so anyways, I'm at my barbecue and I'm really annoyed. I want to go home, but not everybody's in here yet. Can you guys go home? Can you go now?
Like 2 hours. No, I'm kidding. I'm joking. That's what I did. Did you tell
What?
So put relation in it. Looks like we did.
I don't know who. Oh god! You guys, wait no! You guys, she finally came and brought the baby. Look, you guys, oh my god! Don't worry, I'll edit it out. You guys, this is Anaya. Look at her cute little feet. This is a video, it's not a picture. Say hi, tell them who you are. Oh shoot, wait, hold on.
Wait. Okay, go.
Okay.
Yo, walk on YouTube.
Hi, my name is Anaya, and I'm making this video today.
Hi, nice. Nita. Thank you for having us. No problem. Thank you very much for coming. George? It is I. Remember. Okay, tell.
Hi, my name is Anaya. I'm doing this video today with my actor named Zoe. Let's say hi.
Hi. Oh my god, you're the best. Yes, like that. You need your own channel. You're the best.
This is my friend Mushan.
Yeah.
This is my friend named Mushan. And this is my mother.
Her face isn't showing.
And this is my mother. She's eating corn.
You have to go this way first.
It's my friend. Shamika. And we.
They know who she is though. She's the intro and the outro. For my YouTube channel.
This is my friend name. Chanel.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Hi, Chunks. It's a video, not a picture.
My legs are just strong.
Okay, hey, alright, yay, alright.
My sister.
And this is Shamika's sister.
No, that's Chanel's sister.
That's Chanel's sister. Sorry for the
So you're just taking over my channel today, right?
No.
Is this your channel?
Yeah.
Is this your barbecue?
Looks like me and your barbecue.
Oh, it's me and your barbecue. Okay, so this is now the Zoisha and Zanaya channel. Subscribe, like, and comment. Leave a comment in the description box below. Yeah, let me know how you like my new... What are you? What are you?
Oh, 20 CP4.
What? 20 CP4, we get it. Adam, say hi. They already know who she is. Say hi. Tell them who you are. Right? She thinks you're cute. What do you say? Good job. What's your name? How old are you? Woo! Look at that teeth. Oh God! Shamika has it. Yes. Huh? Oh, okay. That's Shepherd again. Shepherd, are you miserable today? No, he's high. Hi, Kiana. Say hi.
That's Kiana, my little friend.
Kiana, say hi.
There's your baby.
Which baby?
Them sass. Yeah, iron balloon. Yo, them say you're not reach nowhere. Yeah.
Make us a... Me laugh with them. Zanaya, show them off a dance. Come, do it for the vlog. Come, show them off a dance. Come, Zanaya, show them off a dance. Show them. Show them your waistline. Do it. Show them. Watch out. Go on now. Zanaya, stop going fool and show them. You're wasting time. Bust a shot for your true friend. Not dash down for the new. Me? Zanaya, who taught you that?
My mom?
Thank you. Thank you. Huh?
I'll be showing my dick.
Your dance? You have a secret dance? Sure, let's see it. That's your secret dance? Yeah? You can also do a bounce? Oh God! He can go in that car. Kiana, say hi. Say hi. What's wrong? Look, you can see. Look, let me show you the video. Look now. Get up. Get up off the ground. Look. You see it's a video? Say hi. Hi. Say what's your name? Oh, no, what's your name? Kiana? Where's mommy? She's over there? Okay, where's your brother? Where's Cairo? Oh gosh! Is that your brother? He's sleeping?
James.
Oh, doy! Nigga video na lang money.
Huh?
Doy na lang money.
Esmond, why'd you wake him up?
I want to guy was say hi to him.
He was sleeping.
Okay, buddy.
You're the worst parent ever.
I'm a good guy.
I never said anything about you being a good guy. I just said you're the worst parent ever.
She said I'm the
Hi, Kyra. This is my little nephew. Look at him. Hi, Kyra.
Why not picture to you? Thank you. This is my godson here.
No, it's not. He already has his own damn godfather. That ain't his
Oh,
godfather.
it's unofficial, but I am.
You are not the godfather.
I was there from inception or
Conception. You were there from inception.
Conception.
Kim, he said he was there at the inception, not the
And
conception.
I was there,
the
and I was there at delivery. So I have to be something.
That's what I'm saying. He's here. He's terrible. He's like, oh yeah, oh, you want to see the baby? You want to see the baby? Like,
Are you on video?
yes, I am.
When you're off. No, when you're off.
Okay, it's not on.
I want to say something.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna get ahead and get you.
If she has. Okay, go on. We're not going there. We're not going there. So you can come when you come back outside. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, I gotta be right back because this whole man. Oh, bye.
What you say, I'm okay.